In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Spanish N in Canva. This is a useful skill, especially for those who work with Spanish content. Let's ensure you can create text accurately every time. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Canva. You may see various links appear in the search results. Make sure to look for the official Canva website in the results. This is important because using the correct link ensures you access the genuine platform. Once you find it, click on that link to proceed. Next, you will need to log into your Canva account. If you already have an account, simply enter your credentials such as your email and password. If you don't have one, you can create a new account quickly. Logging into your account is crucial because it gives you access to all your projects and designs. Once logged in, you will be directed to your Canva dashboard where all your projects are stored. Now you can either open an existing Canva project or create a new one. If you have a specific design in mind that uses the Spanish N, click on that project. Alternatively, you can start fresh by selecting Create a Design. This flexibility allows you to work on what you need without any limitations. Once you're in the project, you will see the design workspace where you can add elements and text. From there, click on an existing text box or create a new one if necessary. To create a new text box, look for the text option in the left sidebar and click on it. This action allows you to begin typing your text right away. If you select an existing text box, ensure it is highlighted so any changes will apply correctly. This step is important because the text box is where you will input the special character. To type a lowercase ini, press the Option key and the N key together. After that, release them, and then press the N key again. This quick keyboard combination will create the Spanish N you need. It's a simple yet effective way to add accents and special characters, making your text more culturally accurate. You should see the character appear in your text box as you type. Next, if you need to type an uppercase ini, the process is slightly different. Press the Option and N keys together and then release them. This time hold the Shift key and press the N key. This combination will generate the uppercase ini. Mastering these shortcuts is essential because it saves you time and ensures your text is formatted correctly. With both options covered, you should now be able to add the Spanish N character effortlessly in Canva. This knowledge enhances your ability to create professional-looking designs that respect the language's nuances. Remember, you can always revisit this video if you need a refresher on these steps. Now that you've learned how to add Spanish N in Canva, you are equipped to create diverse content with ease. This small skill can significantly improve your designs, especially if you are working with Spanish-speaking audiences. Thank you for joining me today and happy designing!